Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I think I'm going to start doing vlogs because clearly me taking videos and editing them just is not working out with my schedule right now. And maybe one day when I have 50 million followers, I will hire someone to edit my videos for me and I will have my content, you know, planned out properly, but it's fine. So for today, we are gonna do a blog only because I meant a vlog, not a blog, because I went to Target and like fell in love with some of the neutral colors shirts that they had. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna do what I bought at Target today, how I managed to waste my money at Target. So if you guys want to see how I managed to waste my money at Target, just keep on watching. Look at these reusable bags that they brought out. These are so stinking cute. And Target, I just want to say you have outdone yourselves once again with these bags. I'm going to start off with the food items just so I can toss them in the fridge because I don't want them to go bad. But as you guys know, I do have PCOS, and September was PCOS Awareness Month, and I was supposed to do a video, but my lactician screwed up my hair, and I was not having a good September. So we're going to have to bring that back, whatever. So I have been trying to go dairy-free as well as gluten-free just to see how I feel, and I've been doing it for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I have to say that I didn't see any weight loss because that wasn't my main goal. My main goal is really just health. You know, I want to feel healthy. I want to feel better. I don't want to feel like I'm so foggy and in like this weird mood because the mood swings ain't it, and I told y'all that already. But anyway, I've been trying to go dairy-free, and I've been finding a lot of cute substitutes, or a lot of substitutes that seem like something that I want to try. So they have So Delicious or whatever, the coconut yogurt. That thing is nasty, okay? I don't care what no one tells me. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you are the creator of it. It's nasty, okay? I don't like it. The consistency's off, the flavors, it's nasty. So anyway, I found the Silk at Target, and this is the almond milk yogurt, because Silk also has the soy one, so look out for that. Soy is not good for us. So this is the almond milk one, so I'm actually very excited to try this. So I will let you guys know how this tastes, because I've been looking for a yogurt substitute and I have not been able to find one. The next thing I got was a creamer. It is the Nut Pods almond and coconut creamer, and it is hazelnut. It's unsweetened and dairy free. So, oops, this is what it looks like. If any of you have tried this, please let me know, because I'm actually very excited about this. I do not drink coffee, I drink tea. And I like to drink a lot of caffeine-free French vanilla tea because I can't drink coffee and caffeine makes my heart race. But nonetheless, I am very excited to try this. I'm actually going to try this today because, you know, impulse shopping, and I'm going to try it today just to see how it tastes. I'm really excited. So I guess maybe next time I'll do an update on if I like it or not. But yeah, if you guys have tried this, let me know and tell me how you liked it. And then I got some cooking oil, just a regular store brand. I think it was like 96 cents, and that's why I bought it. So it's just oil. I don't know how else to explain it. That's all it is. Let us move on to the good stuff. So I bought 4 shirts from Target. I posted on my Instagram, and if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do, because I would love you forever and ever and ever. And I'm gonna put it right here where you can find me, so please hit that follow button. And I was asking about neutrals and where I could find neutrals, and I didn't even remember to think like, oh, Target always has neutrals. So I went and I just wanted some basics for work because I'm such a basic person. It is what it is. I ain't sad. So this is like this really pretty forest green, I want to say, dark green. It's like really dark green, and it's ribbed. It's like this ribbed knit. I love it, really do love it. and it is so comfortable. I got it in an extra large because I like my shirts to be a little bit baggy, and it's so comfortable. So this was $10, and I think they had it where if you bought two, you paid $9 for each one. So of course I bought two. So this is like my favorite one. I was like, this can go well with gray, it can go well with brown, you know, it's just a neutral color, and that's exactly what I was looking for. What are you doing? And then the other shirt was this one. I posted a reels on my Instagram with these two, but oh no, don't judge me, y'all. Yeah, so this is the other one, and again, like I said, I got it in an extra large because I like my shirts to fit me looser, when especially if it's for work. Like, these are more work shirts, and I don't want anything riding up or rolling on me or anything like that. So this color is, they call this blush. I don't know what part of this is blush, but I would have called it chestnut or something, but yeah, that one. And then I got two tank tops, and these are all the brand from the brand A New Day. I just love their ribbed things. I don't really like their other material, like the material like this texture. It's just a little too thin for my liking. So I bought this one, and I love this one because I don't know if you guys follow Kiki Cameron. She hasn't been active for a while, but she was the one that put me onto these, and I was actually really excited when I saw these because I wanted them all summer, and I just could not find the time to get to a Target to go get them, and they were always sold out online. Target. Anyway, this one was $8, and I believe if you bought two, you got them for $7 each. So you can't go wrong with a classic white. I'm sorry, I just feel like white is like the most neutral in the world, you know, plain and simple. And then of course I got another one because, you know, who doesn't like a good deal? And this color is purple. I would call this blush. I don't know, Target, I'm gonna need y'all to get your names together because this looks like a blush to me, and the other one is chestnut, whatever. So same cut, same thing, and all of these I bought these in an extra large as well, just because same thing, I don't like my clothing too tight on me. But yeah, I thought these were really cute, and they're very comfortable. Like I said, I posted a reels with them on, so if you want to see what they look like on, that's where it is. And then I got a bra from there. Look at how pretty this color is. I love this color. I didn't try it on yet, so I can't really speak. I can't really give a critique. So I guess in my other video, I'll update you guys. And it has like the reason why I got this is because it has this thing where apparently it smooths. I can't believe I'm showing you guys my bra. Ugh. Anyway, it smooths the side of this. You see that? So it's like smooth on the side. So let's see if it covers the little side boob. I'm actually very interested to see this. And I think this was about $21. So it does have an underwire. My girls need a little bit of support there. I don't know about you guys that can get away with the little bralettes, because it ain't working on this cabinet. So yeah, I'm gonna see how that is, and that is it. That's all I bought from Target, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna get out your hair, and that's it. I will see you guys in the next video, and my next video I will probably be ranting about my loctician, or my first experience with a loctician, and my first retie with a professional. You don't want to miss that, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.